Indices plummeted sharp yesterday, be it with the Europe session, be it with the US session, and even after US session closing, we have seen a sharper drop. Now, all the indices, be it the Germany, UK, the Nasdaq or the Dow, all are trading with almost close to 0.5% or 1% drop post the market hours. So what to expect today? Can we expect this drop to continue? Can we expect the bears to take over here? Can we expect more crash today? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading the US indices with Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones? We will look first, and then the UK 100 and the Germany in the later half. Do watch till the end. Do like, share, subscribe and comment, and press the bell icon. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch that. Do join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See, chapters are included in the video so that you can skip to your favorite instrument, you can skip to your favorite index. Let's start first the US indices with Nasdaq 100 and then we'll see the DAX and the UK. Now see, look at Tech 100's move here. This was the sharp slump. This was the retracement. It has stayed in the retracement channel and it is now taking the direction. So it is very clear it has to drop below 18,600, 18,550 zone in order to confirm the breakout here. Below 18,550 is where we can look forward to 18,500 and in fact 18,400 levels, and a sharper slump can be expected here. Right now what we are looking here is, see this drop, this drop and this drop. This is the third time it is coming to the lows of here, and thus it is very important for Tech 100 to drop below 18,500, 450 level. Moving averages have crossed over here. These are signs of bearishness looking downwards. Everything is oversold right now on the hourly chart. Coming to 2 hour, you see Nasdaq 100 on the 2 hour charts. If you look at, see this, it has formed a flat base here. A good strong base is created, and if you look at the top of this channel, it is somewhere here at around 18,750. So now hitting the bottom of the channel, it could try to bounce back, come somewhere here at around 18,700, 720, and then the fall might continue. So it is showing a very good support at the current levels. A possible reversal can be seen, or I will say a retracement. Moving average is crossing over here, signs of bearishness. Stochastic oversold, MACD extremely bearish, and RSI hitting the bottom. On the 3 hour, if you look at the 3 hour chart, see the drop, the retracement and the drop here, it has formed a strap and it is continuing here on the downside. So I will wait for it to now break here 18,610, 18,590 zone. This is going to be the support zone, because below this we will look forward to 18,550, 18,500 and in fact 18,450 levels here. Yes, possible it could continue to plummet sharp. Stochastic coming to oversold, MACD extremely bearish, and RSI hitting the. On the 4 hour charts also the observation is same. Only thing is the bigger bearish candle, the bearishness getting diminished, thus it has to take a turn here. It has to drop below 18,610, 18,590 zone, which is going to remain the first support before it looks, and below that we can look forward to sharper fall. Yes, stochastic, RSI and the MACD all are trading bearish here. Coming to daily, look at daily charts. The charts are speaking on its own. Yesterday's sharp bearish candle, a flat bottom, and with the flat bottom it is continuing here on the downside. Now it is looking forward to this, or in fact the 20 period moving average, that is 18,500, very much possible. Looking at the drop yesterday, I have mentioned yesterday as well, the divergence of the price from the 20 period moving average is a concern. But before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 31st mentorship batch starting 10th of June. Do not miss to register yourself for this batch. My years of experience and my years of learnings in the markets are encapsulated in this mentorship batch in the form of tools, techniques, strategies, and the trade setups. I'm sure you will cherish the learning for life. So else you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals, you can capture hundreds of pips and points in a single day, trading diverse instruments with commodities and indices. So do join this. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for details related to the services. Now here it appears clear that Tech 100 is moving towards 18,500. Possibility is very strong. So I will recommend you to sell here at 18,610 levels. Be careful at 18,590, then 18,550, then 18,510, 500 zone, and then we can look forward to a further fall. See, this fall is coming after a stronger bullish move here, so this could continue for a while. stochastic looking down, MACD just crossing over. So this is just the beginning of the fall and it could lead to bearishness for the near future. RSI dropping as well. Now the selling entries are clear, 18610 levels where you should. Now I will recommend a buying entry at 18660 levels, beyond which you can look forward to 700 710 as the first target, 740 750 as the second, and if it stays above 18740 750, we can look forward to a rise towards 18800, chances for which appears to be less. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow. Look at US 30 here, bearishness, and then this sharp breakout, a stronger breakout, a single candle capturing 300 points, very sharp one. And now after the drop, it has retraced a little. Now see the retracement here, very small in size, and the bearishness is again bigger. Now if US 30 trades below 38 100 levels, we can look forward to a fall towards 37 900, 37 800 levels. Be watchful of. And at the same time, the divergence of the price from the 20 period moving average calls for it to converge, but this is a sharper fall here. So I will recommend a buying entry now is only above 838 180 levels here. The stochastic is oversold, trying to recover, MACD is trying to converge, and RSI is extremely oversold, which calls for it to converge or retrace a little on the upside. The observation is similar on the 2-hour charts. It has to come out of this zone. Yes, indicators are oversold and it is trading extremely bearish here. So a little recovery can be expected. Look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, still it is not showing much sign. But yes, once it stays above 38 180, we can look forward to 38 250, 38 380 levels as well. Sharper the drop calls for a sharper recovery. It has also left a gap here on the upside towards 38 450 500 zone. Now, if you look at stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, and RSI oversold, so indicators are extremely oversold here for US 30 as of. But that does not mean that you should jump in and buy, because see, once any instrument enters oversold zone, more sellers pitch in and keep the prices low. So this is something we should be watchful of. Yes, again the same observation of all the indicators being oversold. Coming to daily. Now look at daily charts. Sharper plunge here. Today again it is started on a bearish note. I can see a double bottom level here, and thus it makes 38 100 is the only level to sell. In fact, if you're selling at 38 100, we have to be careful. 38,050, 38,000. Below 38,000 is where we can look forward to a sharper drop towards 37 900, 37 800. 37 800 is the big. Any move below 37 800, we can look forward to a drop towards 37 600. Now see what has happened here. Divide this into two. Double top here, so double bottom here, and then it will leave this channel for a sharper slump. So it is going to hit 37 600 levels very soon, it appears. Oversold indicators, MACD bearish, and RSI bottom. So looking at this very clear, you can sell here at 38 100, expect 38,050, 38,000, and then 37 900, 37 800 as the next targets. On the upside, a buying entry at 38 180, wait for 38 240, 38 300, and then 38 380 400 levels as the next targets. For this 80 points, that is between 38 100 and 180, do not take a position. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at Germany. DAX has shown a sharp bearish move in last couple of days, and this is seen after much of time. We can say that this sharp move was seen on specifically the hourly charts. Now look at what has happened on the hourly charts. Right now I can see a double top and a double bottom. It has to come out of this zone, and then specifically this zone here, which is staying above 18,500 520 zone. So yes, these are the two levels which we have to be watchful. If you see it is staying above 18,470, you can buy here, or in fact you can buy at 18,460 itself, but then 18,500 520 is what it needs to break in order to confirm further rise. See, the stochastic is rising. Look at MACD here. If you look at MACD, this is crossed over here at the bottom. This calls for a little retracement on the upside. RSI at oversold levels. On the 2-hour, the observation is more or less same. In fact, if you see it is staying above 18,440, you can buy for 18,460, and beyond 18,460 is where we can look forward to 500 520 zone, and beyond 520 is we can look forward to another round of rise towards 18,550. Stochastic oversold, MACD extremely bearish, and RSI oversold here. Coming to 3-hour. Likewise, on the 3-hour charts, very clear selling entries above below 18,400. Buying entries should be ideally beyond 18,520, but we could capture a few pips and points if it stays above 18,460 levels. Oversold indicators certainly suggest that there could be a little retracement. And on the 4-hour charts, also similar observation, double bottom, so it could retrace here, it could try to move towards 18,500, 520 zone, and in fact, further rise can be seen. Moving averages are trading with divergence. This is certainly signs of bearishness. Yes, indicators are staying oversold, be it RSI, MACD, or stochastic. Coming to daily. Now, look at daily charts. The lower lows are done, and these are two sharper green candles. The day has just started and it is yet to take a shape. Already prices are trading below 20 period moving average. Now see, you can look at these sharp stronger buildings here. Now looking at these two are nothing, and thus there could be a third one as well. So do not read that it is done with the lows and it is going to bounce back. There is further scope. 18,350, 18,330 is something which we can look forward to, and in fact 18,250, 240 levels cannot be denied. But right now I do see that there should be a little retestment. 18,440 you can buy. Wait for 18,440, 460 levels to be taken, and then I will look forward to a target towards 18,500, 520 first target zone. And if it stays above 18,500, 520, we can look forward to a bullish momentum towards 18,550 levels first target. Beyond 18,550 is where a reversal process will start. I do not see that happening. On the downside, a selling entry at 18,400 can be taken. I will look forward to 18,4, 18,350, 330 zone as the first target zone, 18,200 as the next target level. Below that, above 18,200, 18,260 also you should watch out for. Then we can look forward to 18,200. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at UK 100. See, UK 100 on the hourly chart still staying bearish. 8150 levels. Yes, you can sell here. Wait for 813, 8125, 8130 levels, and then we can look forward to 8080 levels. Yes, there is still bearishness. Do not read that it is done with the bearish bias. Also on the buying side, 8170 you can buy, but 8185, 8200 is going to be the first and very strong resistance. Stochastic looking down, MACD has hit a bottom. It is trying to retrace a bit, but the bullishness is very little here. Yes, it is oversold on the RSI as well. On the 2-hour charts also, if you look at, see, it is leaving this consolidation zone. Where this current candle closes is going to be of importance. Even you can sell here at 8150 levels. When you see the higher price below 8150, you can take a sell entry. We can look forward to 8125, 8120 levels, and if it drops below 8120 is where more bearishness is to be seen. Oversold, yes, all the indicators, be it the stochastic, be it the MACD, be it the RSI, everything is oversold. So little recovery has to be there, but right now I cannot see any such sign here. Similar is the observation here on the 3-hour charts as well. And thus, if you see the higher price below 8150, you can take a sell entry. But right now, the bearishness is definitely diminishing. The stochastic, the MACD, and the RSI, everything is oversold on the 3-hour charts. And if you look at 4-hour chart, now see the 4-hour charts, bit of consolidation is seen in the preceding candle. And if it drops below 8150 is where we can look forward to increasing bearishness, which can in fact take the prices towards 812030 zone, which is going to be a very good support, and then 8100, extremely important support zone for UK 100. Here also the stochastic oversold, MACD extremely bearish, and RSI extremely oversold here. Coming to daily. Likewise on the daily charts, closing at the bottom here, we have a little room for it to drop further. The support zone here at 8100, very strong. And see, it has formed a wick for the day. It can continue to drop. Now see, do not think that, look at the series of rise and series of bullish candles here. Thus a series of bearish candle can also not be denied here. Do not think that anything is getting oversold. Though it is oversold, but yet it is still bearish. So if you see UK 100 trading below 8150, when you see the higher prices below 8150, take a sell entry, wait for 8135, 8120, 8120, and very good support is seen there, and then 8100. If these two levels are taken, remember UK 100 is looking forward to a crash, which can in fact take it towards 8050 and 8000 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Write an email or ping me on Telegram. or join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.